How to connect Spotify to Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can connect Spotify to Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Connecting Spotify to Discord is very simple. First of all, open up Discord and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then just come to the profile tab from the bottom right of the screen. Then right here you'll find the option called connections. If you don't find it, you can tap the gear icon from the top right. From here also you'll basically find the connections toggle, so you can simply go to connections from here. Once you go to connection, in my case I've already added my Spotify. If you haven't added, you can tap the add option from the top right hand side. Then simply go ahead and select Spotify. It will ask you to log into that respective account, so log into that respective account and your Spotify account will get added. You can just turn on both of these toggles to connect Spotify to Discord. This way you can connect Spotify to Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.